And California's very expensive.
$7.99, and it still has a heated bed at auto levels, but it doesn't have, you know, a ton of bells and whistles. It's really great for classrooms or a workshop where you want to get more printers for your money.
That is sweet.
What'd you do to get it so soft? Really? The edges aren't sharp though. It wraps all around.
Excuse me, sir. Yes. I heard you had an axe that can deliver some sort of something or other.
Maybe. Yeah. Give or take 400 hours.
Ooh, baby!
Saw people 3D printing stuff, thought it was interesting. Saw Barnacles and Joel and actually saw Garrett printing stuff. Decided one day I'm gonna get a printer. First thing I printed was Fluistics Pikachu. I went, that's cool. Then I printed out the Master Sword over here, someone's design. Can't remember who, he's on My Mini Factory. And then I jumped from that, I went here to Murph last year, printed out the BFG from Doom. Because that's how exactly how you start off. You go small, medium, extremely large. Right. That's how everything works, right? And then this year's design was actually the Disgaea sword, and this one I'm actually kind of proud of, due to I designed the whole thing myself. Yes, it's very heavy too.
Well, isn't that insane?
That's
like,
crazy.
How many rolls of filament was that?
I took 13 rolls of filament for that one. That guy, around 40.
40 rolls of filament.
That's including the supports and some failures.
How much paint?
A lot.
A lot of paint.
Actually, not so much. You think I use Rust-Oleum spray paint for all of it.
I love Rust-Oleum.
And I did 5 cans.
Excellent, thank you.
Silver Bane across this thing to fade into, just to give it that sharpening look to it. Also my crazy design. And then my Venom Slip Blade. Magnetized on the inside. I mean, at home I literally just have this thing on the wall. And it's the safest spot, it's not going to fall off. So that is with the Color Fabs bronze infill. It comes off the printer just like that. And I'll spend about 8 hours polishing it from 100 grit, and I jump up every couple of grit to 2,000. So I'm going from 1 to 220, 320, and there's a steady rise of that all the way up to 2,000.
Use water?
Yeah, just water on that. And then a little rub and buff on the edge just to give it that nice shine look. I love it because it's heavier than normal, and it just gives a nice feel to the blade itself. You'll start seeing a lot more of these things coming out soon.
It's Bronzeville.
Bronzeville.
I mean, look at this. Was this a mistake too?
Yes.
How you painted that?
Yeah, no. The color effect on here, I accidentally took the wrong can of Rust-Oleum and I accidentally sprayed Hammer Tone on top of it. And then it just gave it that fluttery look that I like. Because again, this is inspired from the Orcs weapons on Lord of the Rings. I haven't watched it, people tell me about it. I have to have time to watch it. But I love how it came out. It's again a simple design.
Hold up.
Yes?
Did you just say you didn't watch Lord of the Rings?
None of them. I watched all the Hobbits.
Can I say what I want to say on this?
You can say what you want to say.
What the f?
Your YouTube channel. I subscribe to your YouTube channel.
I hear you're at 4 million subscribers.
4 million.
Is that true?
She passed up all of us.
Yep. Yep.
You're too famous.
She doesn't even want to talk to me. She's too famous. Wow.
That's when you start.
Wow.
He works for what? Just room and board. That's perfect. You get
Room, board, and nuggets.
A footage to wade through. It looks like.
Oh my god, I still didn't do Maker Faire footage yet.
I know.
I got 8.5 hours of footage and I still didn't edit.
Maybe in time for next Maker Faire?
Maybe.
Are you gonna do Bay Area? You gonna come out? No, too far? Too far to go?
I'll do Earth.
Yeah. Okay.
And I might do Maker Faire again in New York. We'll see.
Yeah. Goodies. Can you like stop filming me, please?
I can do whatever the I want.
What if I wanted to have a sensitive conversation with you? You want that documented?
Just don't look so goddamn sexy and I won't film you.
I can't turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah, it's always off.
Here, how gorgeous is this? It's so beautiful.
Yeah, this was actually
Tell me about
on the Piapoli Moai SLA.
I think we use like 8 rolls of filament, but it's like over 400 hours of printing.
Look up here, there you go.
And I think Garrett probably like 20, 25 hours of modeling and slicing up. And
Done the Fusion 360?
yes, yeah. Then Hogarth was done.
So it just makes contact points on each of these. The Slime Rancher? It's a video game. It's a nice relaxing. Like you collect these little slimes and they poop out money. So yeah.
It's such a cute.
24 times print.
Thank you. 400 hours.
That's right.
You know what it always comes down to? How much does it weigh? How much filament? Or how long did it take?
Right. Pretty much. Pretty much.
It's typically people say, you sat there for 300 hours? I'm like, no, idiot.
I walk. Yeah, I know exactly what that's like. It's funny.
That's my favorite right there.
Like this one, I airbrushed the whole purple, yeah, and then I went back through and hand painted. I mean, normally I would like to like gradient with the airbrush, but where these were such like tiny areas, I didn't want to have to mask off everything, so I just hand painted the gradient on these. So, yeah. But you can just tell the difference when it's been airbrushed, the solid color. But the details are always like but I didn't airbrush like these things.
A lot of your videos are coming up as recommended.
Don't even print and play.
Today he's walk and play.
I always call him plug and play. From years and years of saying plug and play, it just comes out, and then I go, oh, I mean print and play.
That's where I got the name.
So
my original startup thing was like the word print and play, and then print gets erased and changed to
plug gets erased.
Yeah, there you go. I'm bad at stories.
I will be tomorrow. I'm going to be painting Jolbach. Yeah, painted this guy the night before we left.
Where are you guys from?
Asheville, North Carolina. Oh my God. Yeah, mountains there.
I never
It's about a 10, 11-hour drive.
Oh, I don't know. I haven't spectated yet.
I live locally.
Oh, right on.
Yeah.
Cool. The RV capital of the world. I just found that out this morning.
Never get stuck in that.
In Ohio. And then
It's cheaper to use this.
yeah, it's from the DSC, the Wonder Woman.
So this is a pretty quick part.
It's the
Play on
Godfather
it. Pour some wax on it.
Yeah.
And this was, I designed this in Fusion 360.
They make a mold from it.
Yep.
They make
Yeah, well, this was,
25
yeah, just
So we make a lot of like,
a direct replacement.
parts for like
We were able to put it in and use
That's what
it.
pays the bills. And this is what I do. Fun cosplay.
Mister.
Oh, that's good. Sorry.
No, it doesn't.
Got a sticker for it. Yeah, it's so cool.
It's hot.
This looks like it was on Saturday last year.
Camera slide.
Yeah, I remember you talking about tweeting about it.
I got to tweak it a little bit. It's got some issues.
So we're variable speed. I'm assuming. Where's your?
I did a name tag with my.
That's great.
Did it up just like on Wednesday when I had snow day.
He's got his channel and everything on there, right? You gonna start doing stuff on your channel?
No, just I have time left.